I think the blower fan is running right now. But yeah, here is a closer look at my aunt's furnace. And there also is a sump pump down here in case the water gets too high so the furnace won't get damaged. See if I can get a brand name off this thing. Ah, that's a big ass spider web. Can't see a brand name yet. Here we go. Does that say G? Could this be a G furnace? It says something. Shit. I don't know what the hell that... Oh yeah, it looks like there used to be a Janitrol logo back there, but it fell off. Yeah, that's a Janitrol. Someone just wrote on it with permanent marker, but that looks just like a Janitrol logo. I thought that was a G logo, that little circular thing right there. Yeah, that's a Janitrol. This flashlight has something loose in it. Yeah, that is my aunt's furnace. And this is why I think she should change to a packaged unit. Because she has the tech do it. She has the tech change the filter, but the tech has to crawl all the way under here and behind the furnace to get to the filter. I gotta charge this battery. But yeah, the verdict. It's a royal pain in the ass to get to, but it works, and it'll do the job just fine until it dies. Turn that off. Close that up. Hold on. All right, there we go. All right. And then one more thing to show you. This is the thermostat for my aunt's air conditioning system. Honeywell. Don't know how old it is. Old? At least the 90s. Heat, cool, off. Just a generic straight cool split system thermostat or straight cool thermostat. I don't think it matters what kind of system it is, gas pack or packaged or straight cool or split system. It just has heat, cool, and off. So it's for a straight cool unit and either a gas, oil, or electric heating system. And that's how hot it is in the house right now. Not bad at all. My aunt put that up to more accurately show the temperature inside the house. So we can get it. And that just turned it on. Don't know how well you heard that, but it just turned on. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.